that what you want to do?
ASAP General Contracting. We're in the process of remodeling a ADA bathroom. The toilet's going to be here. This sink will not work with the ADA bathroom. It's going to get put over there in this opening here. Most ADA bathrooms have to be about 42 square feet. I prefer them a little bigger than that. I'm more of a 8x8 size. I've never had a problem when I go 8x8. And so far, we're just kind of busting the edges of this. We took this over. An illegal contractor was putting this in, and the illegal contractor got caught. The owner got disciplined by the county, and so then they've now hired us to come in. And the name of the company is ASAP General Contracting. We're subbing out the bathroom to ASAP Plumbing. And like I said, we'll be redoing all of this work that's been put in here. The phone number is 904-346-1266. Again, it's an ADA bathroom. The original contractor was putting in a standard bathroom. They were not putting in a handicap bathroom. That'll be abandoned there. But again, the new part will be right there. 904-346-1266. Thank you.